So how I recorded that video that you saw when I was the bubble on the page is I used the Chrome extension. It's one of our little screen recorders within Dubb. We have a whole video on how to set it up. And then once it's set up, here's the basic functionality. So it's going to put me on the screen like you see right now, right? Now, when I'm on the screen, I have some options. I can make my size bigger, smaller. I can change the shape of my webcam to whatever I want to make, to match the feel of the page. I also can zoom myself in for a tighter frame. I can back myself off. I can come over here under the drop down and get rid of the webcam completely. Now, we only say get rid of the webcam when you probably already know the prospect or the client a little bit and you can send an audio version, but it's great to be live when you want to make that first impression.
Absolutely.
You also can do your profile picture. If you didn't want to be on camera for some reason, maybe having a bad hair day, whatever it is, you can do that. But it's really great to be live. You also can put a virtual background behind you in here. If you want to do that, you have that as an option too. Now on this page, you have an annotation tool right over here to point things out if you want to point some things out. You also have a teleprompter if you wanted to use a teleprompter as well. So a lot of functionality on this, but very quick. You open it up and you're already here on the page. So let me hit record and I'll show you what this can look like. I'll hit record here. I'm going to get a little countdown, a little 3, 2, 1, and it would be like this. Hey, David, this is Rob. I wanted to send you this quick video because there's some properties on this page I really want to talk to you about that are really neat. Check these out. So all I did there was a little wave. That's going to be where I'm repeating 3 seconds at the beginning of the video. And then I hovered over my webcam. I double click to jump to full screen. And I double click to go back. Or I can click the little button at the bottom. It says expand webcam, jump to full, go back. The reason you want to jump to full screen is when you want to make a point about something, and this is feedback we've gotten from users over the years, it's really impactful. Okay, and you're breaking up the monotony of the same kind of view. You're like, you want to talk about something, make your point, go back. And then you also have the ability, obviously, to move yourself around. You can scroll. You can use your annotation tool to point things out. You can do arrows. You can do text on screen, whatever you decide to do over here. These are great for really hammering home the point. Text on screen is fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4 numberings. And all of these annotations are going to stay sticky where they are. So if you decide to scroll anywhere, they're going to stay right where they're supposed to be. They're not going to follow you down the page. So this is a great way to share properties, be on the screen with them. Instead of sending someone just a link, why not be part of the story and walk someone through what you want them to see? That's the Chrome extension, and that's how we recorded that on the screen. And it's a screen recorder that a lot of people use with Dubb. So it's very, very popular in terms of that. And you can jump around to anything you want to jump around.